Bro, I'm about to land. Have you fucking kill him.
Do it. Hot drop on this motherfucker.
Alright, we're hot dropping.
I don't gun with bullets. But...
Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh fucking hell. Alright, Trey, don't kill us. Oh fuck, we're about to kill this motherfucker.
I literally have no...
Kill him.
Hey motherfucker!
That's the best thing ever, JC. Come get a kid.
Okay. Two of them?
That's the greatest thing ever.